At the recent Board of Selectmen meeting, Town Manager Kate Fitzpatrick proposed an update to one of the upcoming annual town meeting warrant articles. Here's Joe Sorrentino with the details.
One of the warrant articles discussed at the recent Board of Selectmen meeting was regarding a revision to last year's newly implemented soil moisture sensor town bylaw. This bylaw was put into effect to comply with the State Department of Environmental Protection's recent seasonal outdoor water use restriction of 65 gallons of water per household per day. According to Kate Fitzpatrick, in the current bylaw, the installation of sensors is required only when new sprinkler systems need to be repaired. Fitzpatrick is looking to modify the bylaw so all newly installed sprinkler systems will require a soil moisture system.
There's a couple of benefits. One is that you can tie the automatic sprinkler system not to go off if the soil is, it has rained maybe the day before, where a rain gauge would say, well, there's no rain in my gauge, I turn the sprinkler on. A moisture sensor would say, well, the lawn is pretty saturated here, so we don't need to turn on. So it reduces the use of water, which brings the town-wide policy and into the state policy, but it also saves the customer money.
Doing it this way seems to be a good way to try to achieve the goal and treat everybody fairly.
Well, they will be regulated in two ways. The town will be overseeing the installation of them. And when you put in a new automatic irrigation system, you do need the plumbing inspector. So that's the first course. And then the Department of Public Works will oversee the type and model of soil moisture sensors that we have approved.
The Selectmen unanimously voted in favor of revising the soil moisture sensor bylaw, but town meeting members will have the final say when they vote on the matter at the annual town meeting on May 5th. The Selectmen will continue to discuss warrant articles at their next two meetings. The next Board of Selectmen meeting is scheduled for April 9th. For the Needham Channel News, I'm Joe Sorrentino.